can now build your entire website in just a few minutes. But here's the real question. Should you trust it? And more importantly, which AI website builder is actually worth using? In this video, I'll compare two of the most popular AI website builders so you can decide which one is right for you. What is an AI website builder? An AI website builder basically asks you a few questions about your business or website goals and then automatically creates your website layout, design, content, pages. This saves hours of manual work and makes website creation much faster, especially for beginners. Now, while most AI website builders follow this basic concept, the experience can feel very different depending on the platform. Some focus more on speed and simplicity, while others focus more on flexibility and long-term growth. So let's start with WordPress.com. Option 1, WordPress.com AI website builder. WordPress.com has introduced its own AI-powered website builder that combines automation with the flexibility of WordPress. Here's how it works. You answer a few questions, AI generates your website structure and content. You can then edit everything using the Gutenberg editor. The biggest advantage here is flexibility. Even though AI builds the initial version, you are still using WordPress, which means you can customize your site later, add features as you grow, optimize for SEO. One important thing to understand is that the AI here is more like a starting assistant, not a complete replacement. It helps you generate the first version of your website, but you still have full control to refine everything later. This is where WordPress.com stands out. You are not locked into the AI-generated design. You can edit layouts, rewrite content, and expand your site as needed. Another thing that makes WordPress.com interesting is the balance between simplicity and scalability. A lot of AI website builders are great for launching quickly, but after a few months, users often feel limited when they want to expand their site. With WordPress.com, that problem is much smaller because the platform itself is designed for long-term growth. For example, if you start with a simple AI-generated website today, later you can turn it into a full blog, add e-commerce functionality, create landing pages, integrate marketing tools, build membership or portfolio sections, and since it's powered by WordPress, you are learning a system that's already used by millions of websites globally. The editing experience is also beginner friendly. After the AI generates your site, you can visually edit sections using blocks inside the Gutenberg editor. So even non-technical users can move sections around, change images, edit text, add buttons, create new pages without touching code. It's also a strong option for people focused on SEO and content marketing. Because WordPress has always been strong in publishing and blogging, the AI-generated structure is usually better suited for blogs, articles, SEO-focused pages. You can also improve AI-generated content easily by adding your own voice, optimizing headings and keywords, structuring posts for better readability. Over time, your website stops feeling AI-generated and becomes a fully customized site. That's especially useful for affiliate marketers, bloggers, personal brands, small businesses focused on organic traffic. Of course, compared to builders like Wix, WordPress.com may require slightly more learning if you want advanced customization later. But that trade-off also gives you more flexibility and ownership over your website in the long run. So overall, if your goal is not just launching a website quickly, but building a website that can scale over time, WordPress.com AI website builder is a very strong option. Now, let's look at the other side of the spectrum. Simplicity and speed. Option 2, Wix AI website builder. Wix takes a much more automated approach. Its AI builder asks you a few questions and then creates a fully designed website almost instantly. You don't need to install anything, handle technical setup, configure complicated settings, Everything is designed to feel as beginner friendly as possible. This makes Wix one of the easiest ways to create a website using AI. With Wix, the focus is speed and simplicity. You answer a few questions and within minutes you get a complete website that's ready to go live. The design quality is often impressive for a first draft. Layouts, color schemes, fonts, and sections are automatically arranged in a way that looks polished and professional. This is one of the biggest reasons beginners prefer Wix. You don't need design experience or technical knowledge to create something that already looks modern. The editing experience is also very beginner friendly. You can visually click on sections and change text, images, buttons, colors, layout spacing without dealing with complicated settings. Another thing Wix does really well is reducing decision fatigue. A lot of beginners struggle with choosing themes, layouts, plugins, and design settings. Wix simplifies that entire process by guiding users through a much more structured experience. Instead of giving you endless customization options upfront, it focuses on helping you launch quickly with minimal effort. Wix also includes built-in tools for online stores, booking systems, contact forms. Basic marketing features which makes it useful for small businesses that want everything in one dashboard. However, this convenience comes with some limitations. Customization is more controlled compared to WordPress. You can edit content and sections easily, but making major structural or advanced backend changes can be harder. As your website grows, you may also feel restricted in areas like advanced SEO control, third-party integrations, complex site structures, platform flexibility. This is where the difference between Wix and WordPress becomes more noticeable. Wix is designed to make website creation easier and faster. WordPress gives you more control and scalability, but usually within a slightly bigger learning curve. So the better option really depends on your goal. If you want maximum simplicity and want to launch a website quickly with minimal effort, Wix AI is extremely good at that. It works especially well for small business websites, personal portfolios, local service businesses, landing pages, beginners creating their first website. But if you plan to heavily customize your website or scale it long term, you may eventually outgrow some of Wix's limitations. Overall, Wix AI Website Builder is ideal for users who value speed, simplicity, and ease of use over deep customization and long-term flexibility. Now, a quick comparison. So, to simplify everything, fastest setup, Wix. More flexibility, WordPress.com. Better for blogging and SEO, WordPress.com. Easier for beginners, Wix. And honestly, both platforms are good. They are just designed for different types of users. Now comes the real recommendation. Here's my honest take. If you just want a website online quickly without thinking too much about customization, Wix is a great option. But if you are planning to grow your website long term, publish content regularly, or focus on SEO, WordPress.com gives you much more flexibility and control over time. So in the end, the better AI website builder depends on whether you value simplicity or scalability more. I have added links to both platforms in the description so you can try them out yourself. And let me know in the comments, would you trust AI to build your website and which platform would you personally choose? If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress and blogging tutorials.